In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link a hoverbox in Wix. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website where you want to make the change. Once you are inside the Wix editor, click Edit Site so you can access your page elements and settings. Next, go to the page that contains the hoverbox you want to link. If your hoverbox is already on the page, click it once to select it. If you still need to add one, click the Add Elements button, then open the interactive section and drag a hoverbox onto your page. After the hoverbox is on the page, select it so the floating toolbar appears. On that toolbar, click the link icon. This will open the link settings and let you choose where the hoverbox should send visitors when they click it. Now choose the type of link you want to use. Wix gives you several options here. You can link the hoverbox to another page on your site, an external web address, a section of the current page, an anchor, a document, an email option, a phone action, or even a lightbox. Pick the option that matches the destination you want to use. Once you have selected the link type, choose the exact destination or enter the address or item needed for that link. Take a moment to confirm that everything is correct before saving it. When the destination is set, click Done to apply the link to the hoverbox. After that, preview your site to test the result. Hover over the box and click it to make sure it opens the correct destination and works the way you expect. This is a good time to fix anything before publishing the update. If you have more than one hoverbox to link, repeat the same process for each one. Select the hoverbox, click the link icon, choose the link type, enter the destination, and save it. When everything looks right, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Once your site is published, visitors will be able to use the linked hoverbox just as you set it up. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.